गुड इवनिंग बच्चों। आज हम बाइनरी ऑपरेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द व्हाट इज द बाइनरी ऑपरेशन। ओके, तो बाइनरी ऑपरेशन मीन्स combination of set A with star operation. Star is any operation. This operation means addition, subtraction, division. These are the operations. So there is a defined operation star. So A combination of set A, non-empty set A with binary operation with operation star. Combination of this is called a binary operation. If we take any two element from the set A, AB as a element of set A, such that A star B belongs to set of A. That means if we operate this star in the element of AB, then the product of this product means A operation B. This gives the another element. Which element must belong to the set A? When this belongs to set A, then we say that it is the binary operation. Not only for single element. This is for all element of AB belongs to set A. This must be satisfied. Then we say that A is operation star is said to be the binary operation. Okay. Example: if we take set of natural number with addition, binary we have taken the operation is the addition. If we take any two element from the set of natural number, so addition is always give the set of A plus B is always give the set of natural number. That means we take any two element of the natural number. So if we add the number, then again we get the natural number. The sum of two natural number is again a natural number. That means he satisfy this property, closure property. This is called the closure property. This satisfy the closure property. Therefore, an natural number set of natural number with addition, it is a binary operation. Okay. If we take set of natural number with subtraction, so A and B are the two natural number. Then what about A minus B? We know that A minus belongs to set of natural number if A is greater than B. When A is greater than B, then A minus B is positive number. So it must be belongs to natural number. But if B is greater than A, then A minus B equal B is negative, which doesn't belong to the set of natural number. Therefore, it is set of natural number with binary with subtraction. It is not a binary operation. Okay, but if we take in place of set of real natural number, we take the real number. Then if we take any two real number, subtraction is always belongs to the real number. That means subtraction is a binary operation with respect to real number. Okay, understand? Okay, next. If any binary operation is given, then we have to check the some properties, and first property is commutative property. Okay, which property? Commutative property. So what is commutative property? If we take any two element, for all element of AB belongs to set of A star B is always equal to B star A. When this operation is satisfied by this property, then this property is called the commutative property. Okay, that means if we take set of natural number with addition, so A plus B करें या B plus A करें, this is always equal for all element of AB. That means set of natural number with addition always satisfy the commutative property. If we take multiplication, multiplication also satisfy A into B is always equal to B into A. That means multiplication also satisfy the commutative property. Okay. What about subtraction? So we know that A minus B never equal to B minus A. That means real number with respect to subtraction doesn't satisfy the commutative property. Okay. The next property. Next property is associative property. We have to check associative property satisfied by any. So what is associative property? A into A star B star C. That means first we have to operate B star C. Which product we get? We have to operate on A. If this element must be equal to, first we have to operate A operation B, then operate on C. If this element and this, if these two elements are equal, then we say that this operation star satisfy the associative property. So we have taken example. First is the addition. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 then plus 1. So it gives us 6 element. 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 3 6. Again both are equal. That means set of natural number with respect to addition satisfy the associative property. Similarly we can prove the multiplication. 1 into 2 2 and then equal into 3. So 2 into 3 6. Okay. If we take 2 into 3 6 and then operate on 1. 1 into 6 that becomes 2 6. That means multiplication also satisfy the associative property. Okay. And these two are. And then third most important property is existence of identity. That means if any binary operation is given, we have to check identity exists or not. Okay. So how to check the identity? So first we have to know about the identity definition. What is the definition of identity? Identity is defined as a operation identity must be equal to A, must equal to E operation A. E is the identity element. That means if we operate on the identity element, any element is operated with the identity element, always gives that element for all element of set A. If this belongs, then we say that identity exists. Okay. So first we say the addition. So A plus E is equal to A. That means E is equal to A cancel. That means E is equal to 0. That means with respect to addition, 0 is the identity element. But in the set of natural number, it doesn't belong. Okay. That means if we have given the set of natural number with addition, then we say that identity doesn't exist. But if we take in place of natural number, we take the set of real number, then 0 always exists. Okay, 0 is the real number. So real number with addition always have a identity element. Okay. Similarly, we can check the multiplication. So A into E is equal to A. Then what is the value of E? So E इधर divide, इस side multiply कर रहा, तो right side क्या करेगा? Divide. So E is equal to A by A. A by A means 1. That means 1 is the identity. किसके with respect to multiplication. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Okay. So set on the set of real number minus 0. Okay. Real number minus 0. Okay. Next. So these are the main basics binary operations and their properties. One more property, and that is called the inverse. Inverse exists or not. So first we check what is the definition of inverse. For all element of set A belongs to set A operate on A inverse that always gives the identity. Otherwise A inverse is operated on A, then again give the identity. If this definition is verified by any element A inverse, then we say that this is the inverse of the given set A. Okay. So we check. That means what we have to do when we have to find the inverse, we have to define this definition. By this definition, we can find the inverse element. Check with respect to real number, with respect to addition operation. So A plus A inverse is equal to 0. One thing more, A inverse A power minus 1, that is A inverse. A inverse means A inverse doesn't means 1 by A. Here is the notation. Okay, always remember A inverse here notify inverse of A, which is not equal to 1 by A. Okay. So with respect to addition, we are finding the inverse element. So A plus A inverse is equal to 0 because identity element we have find multiplicative identity, additive identity is 0. So A plus A inverse is equal to 0. Then what is value of A inverse? So here positive is that side negative. So 0 minus A means minus of A. So A inverse is the minus of A. That means additive inverse or minus A always exists on the set of real number. So if we have given the set of real number with addition property, addition operation, then inverse element is given by minus of A. Minus of A means if 5 is given, the inverse of 5 is minus 5. -6 is given, so inverse of -6 is 6 in this way. Okay, if we take the multiplicative, so a into a inverse is equal to 1. Multiplicative identity is 1. Therefore, what is value of a inverse here? So a inverse is equal to 1 by a. Okay, so with this property, multiplicative with respect to multiplication, identity inverse element is 1 upon a. Therefore, here we have taken real number minus 0, because if a equal to 0, then 1 upon 0 doesn't exist. Okay, so multiplicative inverse exists on the set of real number minus 0. Okay, now these are the 4 more examples. Now we take some examples, some other binary operations. Okay, we have chosen one binary operation, a star b equal to ab by 4. That binary operation is given for all element of ab, where ab belongs to set of real number, set of rational number except 0. We have to check this is binary operation or not. So if a is the rational number, b is the rational number, then a into b is always a rational number, and a into b is the rational number, so a into b upon 4 is also a rational number. That means this this star operation with respect to this q minus 0 set is a binary operation. Okay, it always multiplication, that means it always satisfies the associative property, commutative property. Now we have to check the identity and inverse. So again we are checking the identity element. So what is the definition of identity? A operated on E is equal to A, that is the definition. So by this operation, A star B is equal to AB by 4. That means this gives A by 4 is equal to A. 4 is the divide, right side multiply. A is here multiplied, so right side it is divide. So A divided by A, that means 1. 1 into 4 means 4. So identity element is equal to 4 with respect to this binary operation. Okay, where 4 always exists in the rational number. It is a rational number, so it always exists in the set. So with respect to this star operation on the set of this binary operation have a identity element. Okay, now we have to find the inverse element. So inverse is defined as a operation A inverse is equal to identity. A inverse operation A is also equal to identity. So we operate this. So A operated on A inverse, that means A into AB. So A into A is A inverse divided by 4 is equal to identity is we have find identity 4. So divided by equal to 4 हो गया. 4 divide here, so right side it multiply. So A into A inverse is equal to 4 into 4 16. A is here multiplied, so right side divides. So A inverse is equal to 16 by A, and 16 by A it always exists on the set of rational number except 0. Okay, so for every element of A, their inverse is given by 16 by A. Okay, so that means this is binary operation have a inverse element. Identity also exists and inverse also exists. Okay, take one more example. If we take A star B is equal to A plus B minus AB. For all AB belongs to set of rational number except 1. Now we are taking except 1, Q minus 1. Okay, what about this? Is it a binary operation? Addition and multiplication always belongs to the set of real rational number. So it is always a binary operation. Commutative property, A plus B and B plus always equal. AB and BA is also equal. So it always verify the commutative property. Similarly, we can prove the associative property. Now we have to check the identity. Most important, existence of identity. So by definition, A star is equal to A. So A star E means A plus E minus A. That's why here written A plus E minus A is equal to A. A here positive, that side negative. So A minus A equal to 0. That means E is common. 1 minus A is equal to 0. But what we have taken, A and E belongs to Q minus 1. That means A is not equal to 1. If A is not equal to 1, that means 1 minus A never becomes to 0. So what is the value of E? So E must be equal to 0, which belongs to rational number except 1. Okay. Always remember this. So identity element with respect to this binary operation is given by 0. Okay. Now we have to check the inverse. So A star operation A inverse equal to identity. That is the definition. A inverse operated on A is also equal to identity. This is the definition. So we put the values. So A plus A inverse, that is given by A plus A inverse minus A into A inverse. That equal to identity element is 0. So equal to 0. So here A is positive, that side negative. So A inverse is common. So 1 minus A is equal to minus of A. What is value of A inverse here? So that is here multiplies. So right side divides. So A upon A minus 1. And it always exists. Why it always exists? It is a rational number. Because A is not equal to 1. We have taken for all element A belongs to Q minus 1. So A upon A minus 1 is always belongs to the rational number. So every element of A, there is the inverse, and inverse is given by A upon A minus 1. So this binary operation have also the identity and inverse element. Okay. So in this way we can prove. We can find the identity element, we can find the inverse element. 1 marks question in CBSE board exam. Question are coming. Find the, satisfy the, verify the identity, verify the associative property, verify the commutative property, find the identity element and find the inverse element. These 4 properties comes in the CBSE board exam. So you have to find in this way. Okay. So try more questions. I have given 3-4 examples. You can try more examples from your books. Okay. Thank you.